In Business Central, we have currencies, and currencies can be updated by two methods. One of them is by an update, so you can do that by the exchange rate service, and if it's configured, you can just hit update exchange rates. The second way you can do it is by going and doing an adjustment in the exchange rates here. When you click the exchange rates, you can see a change per day, and you can then turn around and set the rate that's being chosen to be used, as well as the adjustment rate. The basic definition of this is that the exchange rate amount is used on your sales and purchase document translation for a value of estimate, but the value taken up in your net gain or losses is the adjustment exchange rate amount. Now, when you go back, the easiest way to update currencies is if you've got exchange rate service, you turn around and you hit update. But within the exchange rate service, we can actually set this to turn around and run from a scheduled job. So when we enable it, it will pop up and ask us to agree to enable this to be running out of a job queue. And this job queue means that it will run once a day, once a week, once a month, whenever we want to realize those currency changes, the pricing changes into the system. So again, as a summary, two methods. Use the exchange rate service. Alternatively, if you do need to, you can go and create a manual entry to set the spot rate for particular transactions within Business Central.